Most traders are not losing because they are wrong. They are losing because their risk reward is trash. And today we're gonna focus on a leap strategy with the controlled losses if things go wrong. I'm gonna tell you strike selection, how do I select leaps, why do I do it. If you're looking for a daily tips or something like that, this video is not for you, you can skip it. But if you are a serious learner who wanna learn the leaps, how to do it the correct way, watch it till the very end. Let's start all the fun now. So here we are on the option simulator. I have selected December series. You can use Sensible, Opstra, any of your platform. It does not matter. What matters is the strike selection. First things first, I'm only going to focus on the 1,000 strikes. Why 1,000 strikes? Because I'm trading December. That is far out month. And I will only be entering via limit order. I want to repeat, this is a big mistake. People hit market order left, right and center. I don't want to do that. I want to enter limit order. That's why I'm repeating the second time, because I know where mistakes are likely to happen. It's my job to let you know where is the slip, and it's your job to make sure you don't slip. All right. Number one is that we're going to long this at the money put. Very easy thing to do. So we are longing this leap option. Right. After that, what do I do is that I jump to the next strike, which is 23,000, 1,000 points down. And here I look forward to sell to. Easy, there is no issue. After that, what do I do is that I'm going to skip the 500, obviously. Drop the 500, I'll jump to 22,000 now. And here I long too. The strategy is done. Like I told you, strategy creation is just 30% of the job. The main thing starts now. And if you've been trading based on the payoff lately, watch my last video where I clearly explained how payoff can be so misleading. How many people actually tell you the game behind the game? And here is me telling you, so like the video and let YouTube know that you like to watch these kind of videos. Now here we are, let me show you the payoff and let's see how it looks now. As you can see, the same strikes. You know what you should focus on? Not just the payoff, you should focus on the margin deployment. How much it is? Or 60,000 approximately as per the simulator. 60,000 and we are making a leap strategy. Now let's talk about the risk and reward. Let's talk about if things go wrong versus things go right. Let's focus on the payoff. Now here the market approximately 24,000. If market really go up, in that situation what do I do is minus 16,000 is what is the defined structure which I have. Watch it carefully because leaps are not for decoration. They are used here for long time protection, which I'm going to tell you, and a better payoff. Right? And suppose if market starts to fall now, can be any reason, geopolitical, any reason. In that situation, what you see is a big slope up. Also, when market falls, we expect IV to shoot up. So in the real world, we expect IV to shoot up. This strategy is designed like this. And obviously, I'm not going to waste my time explaining you about this little red zone which you see. I've explained it enough in my previous videos, right? So minus 16,000 versus if market really go down. In that situation, what do we see is approximately 60,000, 70,000. This obviously changes because when wicks rise, this kind of a setup becomes sort of more powerful for us over here. Now let's talk about the other usage of it. Here I'm going to tell you the real deal behind this. Point number one, a lot of people have stocks in their portfolio. Am I right? You have stocks in your portfolio and equity is always long. The number one fear is what if market fall and the stocks which you're holding in your portfolio after so much of research go down by 5%, 10%. You know, it's very common these days. After AI has come up, every second day we are getting some kind of a news. Sometime Trump tweets, sometime that. How many parameters can you be focused on daily basis? So for that, we need some kind of a portfolio protection. Now, this kind of a strategy, suppose if I'm longing equities, now there are no leaps for the stocks here in India. In that situation, I want to make sure if any kind of a slip in the market, I need to have Nifty position as a hedge. So you heard it right. Nifty leaps versus the long stocks. I've made a video in the past. I'm not going to go into details if you're not watching videos in depth here. But does this make some kind of a sense? You tell me. If I'm longing stocks and I'm hedging my stocks with this kind of a strategy, 1:2:2 with the margin estimate of approximately 60,000. I can trade it independently or I could have it hedge as a portfolio hedge. I can do that. This is not a normal naked directional trade. This is LEAPS hedge structure with proper risk and reward in mind. Now, can I adjust it? If markets start to go against me, then what do I do? Is what I'm going to tell you next. I'm also going to tell you next when do I avoid doing something like this. That is also important to know, because if you're just entering trade and thinking about the risk later, that's a bad habit which needs fixing. And if you're somebody who's serious about trading, want to learn about the strategy, the structure, how do we make our trade sit, the rule defined structure, we have the first pinned comment form. You can fill it. It takes approximately 10 seconds. As soon as you fill it, you're going to get all details right on your mobile phone. The class, the live workshop is happening Sunday morning, 10 a.m. You're going to be free before lunchtime. You can get more details like I told you how. Now let's talk about some more things here. First things first, I'm going to tell you is the risk and reward setup. Now, what if market go against us? Let me just take the bulls by the horn and tell you exactly that. If market fall, then all right. But if market go up, then what do we see is minus 16,000. One step I got to do, which can cover a lot of ground for me. You want to see that? Maybe I'll load a payoff. So this is the payoff. Now, if market start to go against me, this 22,000 put, I can roll down to 21,000 immediately. If it's breaking resistance, I could roll it back. Now, what's the advantage, you may think? As soon as I roll it back, this 16,000, I could reduce it further. This is leaps. This is not a normal naked selling which people do, or short strangle straddle where one gap down wipes away months of effort and the profits. Number two, why leaps? Portfolio protection, this important point I've told you already. Those who know, they know exactly what we are trying to achieve out of this. Number two, more room, more breathing space. Market go down 500 points, market go up 500 points. What have you learned in last week from the market movement? You tell me. That one day market give you, sort of a gap down because Korea hit circuit. Everybody panicked. Next day market recovered. So weekly options require a lot of adjustment, brokerage, taxes. Leaps give some kind of a peace of mind. Less pressure on you for adjustment, especially for a working busy professional. You just do not want any other strategy. I'm very well aware of. You don't want to adjust 10 times in a day. I'm aware of this. You want a method, you want a structure, you want a strategy which gives you some kind of a peace of mind. Obviously, risk cannot be zero. It's a business. We understand that. That's the mature thinking which we all have. But can the risk be reduced? Instead of basic random trading, can we have a system, a structure which tell us exactly when to adjust, when to take a hard exit, when to book your profits, all of these things, how to handle losses. That is also important, the part of the game. That's the exact reason why I tell you, hit and trial way of trading, one must avoid into the markets. Just like you've learned now, I wanted to go back. I wanted to think about the adjustment points which I told you. If market go against us, how about rolling a put can really cut our maximum loss which you see here. It's very interesting. Play with this structure. Think in your mind, if you've been doing stocks from such a long time, how you can use leaps in your trading finally with the maximum effect. Thanks for watching the video and thanks for showering so much love in the past videos. I've made advanced video just to test that how many of you actually get it, and I'm glad to tell you maximum of you. How do I know? Because of your comments, your likes are really grabbing it, learning it. So that's the way to go. Thanks for watching and I wish you all the very best. Take care. Signing off. Bye-bye.